we were counting down them days, every single one of them, every last minute. I'm counting down until we are out of this place and we are back in the sweet, traffic infested, but beautiful viewed Miami, man. We cannot wait. It's only 8 more weeks. That's 8 more Mondays. So we just got to get through this one, and it's just 7 more Mondays. But happy Monday morning to the traders and to the haters. We just woke up, just took a fresh shower, about to hop into the markets this morning. But y'all already know we can't do anything until we get some energy in our system. So I want to hit you guys with a little pro tip. I'm assuming the majority of the people that watch this channel, they are avid energy drink consumers. And if they're not, just click off this video because it's not for you. But if you want to take your energy drink game up another level, obviously you got to be consuming 1 or more per day. Secondly, you go from drinking out of these because they got rid of the textured cans, Ghost, bring it back, and you move up to a glass bottle. And you're extra classy. You see, most people think they take their wine glasses or whatever, they put their alcohol in. No. Forget that stuff. It is a cancer to the body and the soul. You get energy drinks in nice mason jars or this Coca-Cola. You pour it. Boom. Cheers. And you're ready to tackle the week. Man, this is class. And speaking of class is about to be in session for you guys. We're about to hop in, like I said, to the markets. They open up in a couple, and I'm going to teach you guys all about how to lose everything but do it with a smile. Trader psychology, man. Sometimes it feels like that. I tell you guys, last week we took a brutal loss. I mean, wow, we lost $300 across 21 accounts, and one of those was the live account. Absolutely just railed us. So hopefully we can come back this week and do a little bit better. We've got morale high. We're bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, and that is half the battle. You have to take those losses on the chin. You have to be used to it. And you got to have a short memory. It's like pitching in baseball. You give up a double in the gap, you just give up a bomb with 2 runners on, you have to forget it. Short-term memory. Next pitch, you're targeting the zone. Next trade, you're taking your setup. It's a lot of similarities there, and that's exactly what we're about to do. So guys, class is in session. Well, the market's only been open like 15 minutes, but we already had a breakout to the downside, and now we are pulling back, as you see, to the key levels. I've already got the little box drawn for our 1-to-2 ratio to take a short to the downside. But also, on this market, we have the exact same setup. So these two markets are similar. It's platinum and gold, so they kind of move the same, but we had a break of structure down. We've had our pullback to the key level, targeting the short below. So really, on both of these, we're just waiting on an entry candle, but the gold one in particularly, I'm kind of liking. I'm not saying these are going to set up, but if one of these sets up, that might be the fastest a trade has ever formed whilst I'm filming a YouTube video. I had a trade one time. I wasn't filming. It was on copper. It opened up at 8:10 the market, and I took a trade by 8:25. It was crazy, but I wasn't filming that day. So this one, we've got the camera. Probably jinxing it as I say this, but this could be some kind of record. I'm liking the way these are both looking, so we'll keep an eye on them. We'll see what happens. Well, it looks like we're getting a little bit of a false alarm. It's pulling back just a little bit too deep, crossing the key level too far, and vetoing this setup, which that happens a lot when you're trading a break and retest strategy. A lot of times you'll get the false breakout. Sometimes it even gives you the entry signal. You enter, and then you have the instant stop out within 2 minutes, like the liquidity sweeps. So I'd rather us not even got to take the trade than that happen, obviously. But we got a false setup on the one on gold there, and getting the exact same kind of movement on platinum. So we're all good. Nothing set up. I should have known we're not going to get that lucky and get a trade that quick, but markets seem to be moving. We're getting a lot of early movement. I mean, it's literally 8:40 right now. We're already getting false breakouts with a lot of movement, so might be a good day. We're hoping. We're praying. Well, since both those setups failed, I'm getting up. We're taking a little break from trading. I got to pace around this apartment. I can't sit still and trade for, how long do I trade for? The 3-hour session that I trade. I know that sounds bad that I can't sit still for 3 hours. But once I lock in and focus, I get so fidgety. And once I enter a trade, I'm like running laps around here. So I've got to get up and get some movement in for a little bit, and then we'll hop back into the charts. I know within the next 5 minutes there's not going to be a setup, but I have to just move. Got to get some movement in. That's another reason why I want to get a really big house, because when I'm trading, I can be in this room, I can be in this room, I can be out at the pool, I can be over here, and I can just be going. That would be so nice. Plus, when I'm just cooped up in this little place, it just drives me crazy, and I think that's another reason why I just want to move. But can we just take a minute to appreciate the clean fit? I literally just bought this outfit yesterday, and I wanted to wear it really bad. I was saving it for the Miami trip, but I was like, man, I've got to break this out for the vlog. And I just feel like I should be golfing in this. It is like Nike golf shorts and a golf polo, but it's just a clean fit. But with it on, I feel like I need to be out there. Hold on. Let me paint you a picture right here. Okay. All right, we're 220 out, pins in the back, little left to right wind. Okay. Got pretty straight. Perfect. Little club flip catch, about 10 feet from the pin, go lay in that putt for eagle. What do you think? We bringing out the golfing vlogs. I always tell Hannah that's going to be my second revival, is when we make a lot of money with trading. We are living in Miami, and then after I'm done trading, I'm going to hit the gym, going to go hit the course, and we're just going to be chilling. That way I can wear some sick outfits every day. But first, we got to make the money. Back to trading. Well, we've had a little change of plans this morning and a location change, because while I was sitting there trading, the AC repair people finally showed up. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks since they were supposed to come and put in the new AC unit. Well, they're finally here, and I've been dreading the day because I knew when they would show up would be the day I'm filming. So they're outside right now, so I was going to do a little update. We've not taken any trades. The market's not really trending or doing anything too great, so if I have to cut the vlog short, I don't think we're going to miss anything. But I moved into the game room, that way I'm not out there in the living room when they're carrying stuff in and out. It's kind of a vibe. Got the LED lights on blue and purple. Looks kind of sick. We're sitting at the gaming setup. Just got my laptop propped up. But I kind of mess with it. If I had a really nice chair and the room was like a little more, again, big, a little more LED lights, I think it'd be pretty sick. It'd be a nice trading environment. But the only thing I could see maybe setting up is a little something on natural gas, but we'll keep an eye on it. If we have to cut the vlog short, I'll just pick up with you guys whenever they're out of the house. And if they decide not to do it, which is a very good possibility, they just come, look, and leave, then we'll continue the vlog. But stay tuned. I don't know what's going to happen. Could we take a trade? Could we end the vlog? Stay tuned to find out. I think we're on our last ditch effort of getting a setup. Let me grab you guys and show you. Market's closing in like a half an hour, and I believe this is the last shot that we're going to get. We had a break of structure. We've had the pullback. This is on copper. I've got everything set up, the limit order. We're looking at a minimal risk, and then we're going to target like a 1-to-2 ratio if we get an entry candle. But everything today has set up and just pulled right back in. We've been lucky. We've been blessed that they've not given the entry signal, then pull back. They've been pulling just straight up, straight back in, which is good for me. But I think this will be the last one we get a shot on. And apparently the AC people are just gone, which is fine with me. I wanted to film today, but they just dipped. They said, I'm out. And they're not coming back probably, but if we can get an entry candle on this one, we're going to target 1-to-2 ratio. Maybe a little volume will kick in, make the risk like 200. We could end this Monday out on a dubski. We've just been chilling back in the living room. We got a podcast on, and yeah, I've came to the realization this is more enjoyable for just comfort and entertainment, but in there the vibe's better. So I need to figure out how to combine both. First, we need a house. First, we need to get this trade right. All right, you see break of structure, pullback key level. We had an entry. We're targeting 1-to-2. Wait, shouldn't my take profit be just a little? Yeah, there we go. Okay, there we go. Now we got the 1-to-2 full ratio. We got the Zach trade specialty of instantaneously negative $25. And We got good volume down here on the ADX, so let's just get the buyers to step in, push this up to the top. And obviously now, with us targeting 1 to 2 rather than 1 to 1.5, you're gonna be in these trades longer because it's gotta go a further distance. But if we can get a good volume spike, fingers crossed here, we can get in and out of this before the AC people come back. Who are we kidding? The people ain't coming back for months. Geez, $75 negative. Let's look at this candle. As soon as we entered, we had the biggest full-on red retracement candle. Oh, I hate when it does this. I hate when we retest the level right upon entry. And based on what everything's been doing today, they've been fake outs pulling us right back in. Please don't do that. Start us off good this week. Push up, blast all the way up, hit the ratio, and let me show the people I do know how to trade.
A few inches later.
Oh, geez. That was one of the worst losses that I've taken on the channel. 40 almost minutes we were in, at like 35 minutes. Never got positive. Chop, chop, chop. Got up to break even one time, stayed negative 100. And then just wiped us out for the full $200 loss. That sucks. That was a bad trade. Bad execution. Oh, I mean, the setup was perfect. It's exactly what we take, and it just didn't work out this time. We never got a push to the upside, just like everything today. Liquidity sweat pulled right back in, and now I'm sure that it stopped us out. It's going to blast right up, but that's going to wrap us up. That we were in that so long, the every market we're done is past 11 o'clock, so... just the 1L. I mean, everything was right. We had the break, we had the retest, we had the strong candle, we had the high volume, and it just knocked us out. So another loss, another L on the day. We are not doing too hot when we're filming these, but you know what? We're transparent and can't win them all. So you know what we're gonna do? We're done. We're calling it a day. We've took our L's. I'm going to the gym, I'm getting our fitness in, and I'm wrapping up this video here because I think they are going to come back and do the AC, and they're also working on the porches. So guys, we tried, we done it all. We wore the nice outfit, we took the trade execution, but we just couldn't win. So we're going to wrap it up here with an L. If you guys enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe down below, let us know if we should go golfing. We might need some other content because the trading is just not going well. Just can't win them all. Till next time, haters. Peace.